In this video, we'll explore the Google Analytics extension, a powerful tool that consolidates your analytics data for all your child sites into one convenient location on your MainWP dashboard. This video assumes you already have a Google Analytics account and at least one GA4 property. If you don't have a GA4 property, follow Google's instructions to create one and add a web data stream. With that said, let's start with the Google Analytics extension setup. First, go to your Google Cloud Console and either create a new project or select an existing one. We will create a new project, give it a name, and click Create. When it's done creating, click on the Select Project button. Next, navigate to APIs and Services, and from there we will search for the necessary APIs and enable them. First up is Google Analytics Admin API. Select it from the list and click Enable. Click on the back arrow and search for the second one. Google Analytics API and enable it. Finally, repeat the same process for the Google Analytics Data API. Once the APIs are enabled, go to the OAuth consent screen, select External, and click Create. Provide an app name, select a user support email, add your MainWP Dashboard domain under Authorized Domains, and enter a developer contact email. Click Save and Continue. Save and continue through the scopes and test users' screens without making changes. On the summary screen, click back to Dashboard, and then Publish App. Next, navigate to Credentials, click Create Credentials, and select OAuth Client ID. Choose Web Application, give it a name, and add your dashboard URL with the specific path to the authorized redirect URIs. You can find this URL in the written documentation linked below. Click Create, then create another set of credentials, this time selecting Service Account. Name the service account, click Done. Now click on the newly created service account, and then Keys, click on the Add Key dropdown and then create New Key. Select the JSON key type, then click Create. The JSON file will be automatically downloaded to your computer. We will use this file to connect the MainWP extension to Google Analytics. Now let's switch to the Google Analytics dashboard. Open the admin settings for your GA4 property and go to Property Access Management. Click Add Users. The email address we want to add can be found on the Credentials page on the Google Cloud Console. So let's quickly switch back to Google Cloud Console credentials page and copy the service account email. Let's return to Google Analytics, paste the email, set the role as viewer, and click Add. Repeat this for each GA4 property you want to monitor. Now go to your MainWP dashboard, navigate to Extensions, Google Analytics, Add Account. Here we will upload the JSON file that was downloaded earlier, and click Connect Account. The account should now be visible in the Manage Accounts tab with the status connected. Finally, we need to assign a GA4 property to a child site. To do that, go to Sites, Manage Sites page. Locate the desired child site, then navigate to the Edit page. And locate the Google Analytics section at the bottom of the page. Select the correct property and save the settings. This assignment needs to be repeated for all desired child sites. After connecting your Google Analytics account and assigning properties to your child sites, navigate to Extensions, Google Analytics page. Here you can view the analytics data for all of the child sites you've associated with GA4 properties. From the page settings, you can disable widgets you don't need. And you can also rearrange widgets as you like. A Google Analytics widget is also added to a child site overview page. Let's take a look at one by navigating to Sites, Manage Sites page, and opening the overview page of a child site. Here is our widget, offering a quick glance at the analytics data for this site. The MainWP Google Analytics extension simplifies tracking and analyzing your website performance by centralizing all data in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP. Be sure to check out one of our other videos next.